Bwriad y rhaglen hon yw dod ar diweddaraf i chi o'n rhwydwaith o ffermydd arddangos, canlyniadau prosiectau ynghyd â datblygiadau pwrpasol o'r diwydiant. Bydd bob un rhaglen yn canolbwyntio ar un thema benodol, a'r thema y mis hwn yw Isadeiledd. Yn ystod y rhaglen, byddwn yn ymweld â 4 o'n ffermydd arddangos, sef Graig Olwg, Hendrei Van Goch, Cefn Gwylgi a Bodwi. A byddwn ni hefyd yn ymweld â un o'n ffermydd Prosiect Porfa Cymru, Blaen Glywon Fawr.
The idea for this project came about probably similar to a lot of dairy farms. We've been struggling with capacity, having to spread slurry in the winter months, and then during the summer months we've been running out of slurry when we've been able to make most use of it for crop need. So it just made perfect sense to try and get a store in place to future-proof ourselves and comply with future regulations as well.
The main reason for the muck store is really capacity, but there are also other reasons for doing the store, environmental reasons that we probably wouldn't be compliant to if we were to carry on as we are. With the grant available at this time, timing just seemed just right to have a go at really sorting the situation out. We've had a sustainable production grant, so 40% funded, so it's a big help.
Mae rhywun yn gallu gwneud gwaith bychod mae ben ei hun o'n dos dim eisiau help a di rhywun yn gorau mynd mewn i'r cae chat y gwartheg. O'n eisiau fod mor saff a fydda rhywun fod wrthi bod rhywun yn haws o brif ar y job na'n ddi.
Move to rotation grazing was gradual. We started with just doing the fat lambs in the first year to see how it worked, and the amount of grass we grew led us to believe that we could utilise it on more of the land. So the year after we did it on the fat lambs again, but before that we had done it on one bunch of User lambs to see how it worked. It did work pretty well. User lambs seemed to respond very well to it, and the grass we grew was more than we usually grew.
So we took the plunge and done a slatted sheep shed use an old building that was there just to store machinery and hay and straw. So we've done that into a sheep shed now, which we house all the ewes in, and I say we don't use any straw anymore. And the sheep's feet are a lot healthier going out in the spring. As of this year, after we put the slatted floor in, we've saved £2,500 now on just buying the straw initially that we didn't need to use this year.